Google has given us a shiny new button in Slides, and both teachers and students will enjoy this long-needed feature. Recording a Slides presentation might be used by teachers to preserve and reuse your hard work and to assist absent students. Students will find this a refreshing way to share their learning rather than maybe taking a test or writing an essay. So as you can see, the record button appears right here in Slides. If you don't see it yet, you will soon. It's rolling out during February 2024. When you're ready to record, follow your instincts and click the button. You will see a series of menus. First, it will ask you for permission to use the mic and camera, and of course you want to say yes. And I have already said yes to those things, and here I am. Hi. All right, and then if you don't want to be in your recording, you can just come down here and turn the camera off. All right, and then you disappear from the slides. In the settings gear, the only thing you can really control are the mic and the camera. So unless you're changing something about those things, you don't really need to go to settings. But this is something you might enjoy using, and that is the speaker notes. So that does open up your speaker notes for your slides. And so if you type up what you want to say in the presentation ahead of time, you can read from those speaker notes, and that will not be in the final version of your video. Use this button to start recording. It's also the same button you're going to touch if you want to take a break and pause. So it's going to ask me, do I want to share? And yes, I do. Click allow, and it will count down 3, 2, 1. And now we are recording a video of our slide deck. We can move through the deck this way. And if, again, you want to stop and pause, start again, stop and pause, then you'll notice that when I paused, I have 2 choices here. One, I can just toss it out and start over again if I don't like what happened, or I can go here and save to Drive. Do you see how simple this is? This is really, really, really nice. So it's telling me that it's uploading to Drive. So now I get the message that it's processing my recording. I can right away start and record another one. When you begin to use this, Google Drive will make you a folder called Slides Recording, and that's where everything ends up. They have the same title as your slides presentation does. So that's what you should look for in Drive when you're trying to find the recordings that you are making. Since this is all built right into Slides, it makes the recording process dramatically easier than using a separate recording program like Screencastify. So I hope you enjoy this new feature that everybody was asking for. Have a great day, and remember, be brave, be kind, and do good work.